Here, I'll give you a card.
Hi, Caroline Cannon, future Broadway star. Nice to see you. Hi.
Oh, well, this is where we make dreams happen. We're going to give this shirt away tonight. Hartford Yard Goats. Tim Tebow will be there. JeffJCunningham.com. Boys promoting. I printed up quickly.
Our own version?
Yeah.
Oh, I love to inspire others.
Yeah.
With my singing.
She can actually sing. She's actually not bad.
Actually, we're all in acapella groups.
Are you really?
We're actually all very good at singing.
Oh, this is too much. I just want to get to the stadium.
I was in an episode of Law and Order once.
Oh wow. See, she has the on.
Back in
So what's your name again? Your full name?
Caroline Hunter Cannon the first. Nice to meet you.
Caroline Hunter Cannon the first. All right, we're gonna put that on there.
All right.
And we'll give you a lot of social media tags. You're all on that too.
Oh yeah, Caroline Cannon.
Can't do this.
CAROLINE with an at.
All right, we'll probably put this up tonight. It's right on the screen there, so you can find it there. Yeah, my Instagram, everything's on there.
I just feel like you're not giving enough attention to the fact that it's my 21st birthday.
Okay, we're not. So what's your name?
So my name's Annie Smith.
So what we're gonna do is, and I don't even know it's Trumbull Kitchen if this is okay here. We're gonna sing "Happy Birthday" to Annie Smith right here. We have the acapella group. I'm gonna lip sync because we know my singing.
My birthday.
Annie, all right, we're singing "Happy Birthday" to Annie.
All right, happy birthday to Annie.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Annie! Happy birthday, Annie. Yeah, happy birthday to you. Because you got the one, I don't know if he's okay. What?
I'm an entrepreneur.
Yeah, so this is exactly what it's
I'm
about.
working for an entrepreneurship branding company this summer.
So that's exactly, okay, good. So we really got to connect. This is the best table that I've met here. All right, this is a horrible filming job here. Hold my ticket, somebody.
Maybe my mom.
All right.
Maybe my mom.
So here, hold up the shirt. This is a reprint.